So today I'm here with Tom Hodson, Product Manager of Fasteners for us here at Senco. Tom, we're going to be talking a little bit about the Fusion F-16A tool today. Okay. Why don't you tell us a little bit about the applications and the fasteners it uses?
Well, it's a 16 gauge angle tool that shoots up an 1.25 inches, 2.5 inches. Some of the preferences behind when you use a 16 gauge angled is the type of millwork you're using, okay, or just a preference behind the way it leaves a hole in the application. The application would be anything that's trimmed out around something that moves, door, a window casing, sure, and you need that additional holding power above and beyond an 18 gauge, okay, as an example. And the nail, or the rack of nails is, again, this is a glued process. It's not a mylar tape. However, our specifications still want very low shear value. And that shear value helps the tool life because, again, as it picks off the nail, you want that very low shear value. Also helps into harder substrates, like engineered lumber is being more prevalent out there, so it goes through. We also have Senco. It's a proprietary water-based coating. And what that does is, again, as you're firing, it's pretty quick. Yep. As it goes down, that lubricant or that Senco melts and it becomes a lubrication. Sure. And that lubrication helps you get more drive and consistent drives every time you pull that trigger. So I'm going to go and show the folks how this tool works. Sure.
I'll load up a strip of 16 gauge angled fasteners here. Easy to do. It loads from the back of the magazine. Slide them on up, engage the feeder shoe, and ready to go. I'm going to be demonstrating in Sequential Fire, so I'll select that firing mode.
Now that's pretty quick.
Yeah, you can see how fast that is. I mean, you can go as fast as you can pull the trigger, basically.
Well, what happens if a nail gets jammed inside the tool?
Ah, great question. First, you want to release the feeder shoe so you don't shoot the remaining nails out. There's a latch on the back side here. Simply pull that down. The entire magazine assembly comes off. Okay. So now you've got access to the entire drive track.
Clear the drive.
And the magazine. So you clean it out, get the jam cleared, and you're back in business. Simple to reassemble. Simply line it up, and you're back in business.
Oh, you're back ready to go.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, that's great. Well, it's a great system. The 16 gauge angled Fusion tool, along with our fasteners. I mean, anybody would be proud to have that tool in their tool bag.
Absolutely. Anybody looking for the power of a pneumatic with the convenience of a cordless tool would be very pleased to have this in their tool selection. Right. So that's the Senco F-16A angled Fusion nailer.